Hey, what's up everybody? Dr. Mike here, excited to talk about keeping those kidneys clean and happy. You might be thinking, kidneys? What's the big deal? These bean-shaped organs are workhorses. They filter blood, remove waste, and regulate blood pressure. Essential for a healthy body. Let's dive into kidney detox and cleansing. 7 amazing drinks to support kidney detox. Grab a drink, and let's get started. First up, we have a classic cranberry juice. Now you've probably heard of cranberry juice and its connection to urinary tract health, but did you know it can also benefit your kidneys? Cranberry juice is packed with antioxidants, particularly a type called proanthocyanidins. These powerful compounds can help prevent bacteria from sticking to the walls of your urinary tract, including your bladder and kidneys. This is crucial because infections, especially UTIs, can sometimes travel up to the kidneys, leading to more serious complications. So, a little cranberry juice can go a long way in keeping those kidneys infection-free. Next, we have a refreshing and simple drink lemon water. Starting your day with a glass of warm lemon water is not only hydrating but can also help prevent those pesky kidney stones. Kidney stones form when certain substances in your urine, like calcium and oxalate, become concentrated and crystallize. Lemon juice is naturally high in citric acid, which can help increase citrate levels in your urine. Citrate is a rock star when it comes to kidney stone prevention because it binds to calcium, making it less likely to form those painful stones. Plus, lemon water is a great way to alkalize your body and promote overall hydration, which is essential for kidney health. Now, let's talk about dandelion tea, a natural diuretic that has been used for centuries to support kidney health. Diuretics work by increasing urine production, which helps flush out excess fluids and waste products from your body, including your kidneys. Dandelion tea is also a good source of potassium, a mineral that is often depleted with increased urination. So, sipping on some dandelion tea can help your kidneys do their job of filtering your blood and eliminating waste more effectively. Chapter 4. Moving on to a vibrant and nutritious choice beet juice. Beets are a nutritional powerhouse packed with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals that can benefit your entire body, including your kidneys. One of the key compounds found in beets is betaine, which helps reduce inflammation and protect your organs, including your kidneys, from oxidative stress. Beetroot also contains nitrates, which can help lower blood pressure. Maintaining healthy blood pressure is essential for preventing kidney damage in the long run. Chapter 5. Ginger tea. Soothing inflammation naturally. Next up, we have a soothing and aromatic beverage, ginger tea. Ginger has long been recognized for its anti-inflammatory properties, making it an excellent choice for supporting kidney health. Inflammation can take a toll on your kidneys, especially if you have underlying conditions like kidney disease. Ginger contains compounds called gingerols, which have been shown to reduce inflammation throughout the body, including the kidneys. So, sipping on a warm cup of ginger tea can help soothe inflammation, promote healthy blood flow, and support your kidneys' natural healing processes. Chapter 6. Green tea, the antioxidant powerhouse for kidney protection. Let's move on to another powerful antioxidant-rich beverage, green tea. Green tea is celebrated for its numerous health benefits, and its positive effects on kidney health are no exception. Green tea is loaded with polyphenols, particularly a potent antioxidant called epigallocatechin galatate, or EGCG. EGCG has been shown to protect the kidneys from damage caused by toxins, heavy metals, and oxidative stress. Regularly incorporating green tea into your diet can help support your kidneys' natural detoxification processes and keep them functioning optimally. Chapter 7. Apple cider vinegar, the Toxin Flusher. Last but not least, we have apple cider vinegar, a versatile ingredient that can also support kidney health. Apple cider vinegar is believed to help alkalize the body, which can be beneficial for preventing kidney stones. It also contains acetic acid, which may help break down kidney stones and make them easier to pass. However, it's important to note that apple cider vinegar should be consumed in moderation, as excessive amounts can potentially harm your kidneys. Always dilute apple cider vinegar with water before consuming it, and if you have any underlying health conditions, it's best to consult with your doctor before adding it to your diet. Outro cheers to healthy kidneys. 7 incredible drinks can naturally detox and cleanse your kidneys. Incorporate these beverages to support your kidneys. Stay hydrated with plenty of water. Thumbs up, comment your favorite drink, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.